How often do you go swimming in the sea?
When it's hot, obviously.
I could regret it.
Now I've come to see my sister in Brighton, and so the summer holiday has begun. It's kicked off.
But yeah, Rottingdean we go and get some ice cream for the oldest.
There they are. What's your festival goer's tip for people who've never been to a music festival?
Don't camp.
Yeah,
We've come to enjoy the British weather, but
it's not really interesting, enjoyable, and sometimes downright scary.
Hiya, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So with summer coming to an end and the kids going back to school soon, I wanted to know what Brits have been doing on their summer holidays. I want to know if they've been abroad or if the cost of living crisis has resorted them to do a staycation. Here we go. What have you been up to on your summer holidays?
Just been camping, haven't we?
Oh really?
Camping at a music festival in the rain in Wales.
Green Man Festival in Wales.
Oh, yeah?
For 3 days.
Yeah.
Rained one day, so we were up to our knees in mud.
This year we went to the Isle of Wight for a week.
about 20 minutes from Malaga. My dad lives out there.
We've spent a lot of time down here on the beach.
So we went to Vancouver, drove north to Whistler, stayed there for about 9 days, saw lots of bears. Something very different about walking in the wilderness in Canada where you seem to beware of the bears to being back at home. And then we went across to Vancouver Island, did some whale watching, did lots of hiking, saw lots of waterfalls, and now trying to get back our body clocks.
Can
you think?
No.
We haven't done a great deal this summer holidays because the weather's been bad and we haven't been away anywhere. So we've been mainly down here by the beach,
Okay.
I haven't done much this summer because I've been with my wife and 2 daughters, and so we haven't had much time to do anything. But they've just gone to Taiwan because she's Taiwanese, and so now I've come to see my sister in Brighton, and so the summer holiday has begun. It's kicked off.
So we went to Cornwall this year. Went to Cape Cornwall, so St Just, as far west as you can get, really.
I travelled to France. I took the Eurotunnel to France with my family and drove 7 hours down to the Midwest of France.
I haven't been away anywhere,
Okay.
but what I have had is lots of grandchildren coming to stay for a week or so, and that's been really, really interesting, enjoyable, and sometimes downright scary.
And do you frequent Green Man Festival a lot? Do you go every year?
We go to festivals, we haven't been to that one before.
Okay.
So we thought we'd try something different, and then of course it rained. And,
We won't go again.
Why did you pick the Isle of Wight?
Because it was quite easy to get to.
Okay.
Degree of separation, so you still felt like you're on holiday, but actually you didn't have to travel that far.
It's a nice, relaxed way of life. You know, it's
Yeah.
cost of living crisis over here, and it's so much cheaper over there.
Yeah.
Okay. And is that a big pull for most Brits, you think, to get away from England at the moment?
I think it's just the weather. You know, the Brits are over there for the sunshine.
we like walking along the cliffs. I like a bit of kayaking, so kayaking around the cliffs as well.
Yeah.
Kids like surfing. Sennen, we're not far from Sennen Cove, so
I was going to ask, the water sports is quite a big
Yeah.
thing there, right?
yeah.
Are you both kind of into like wildernessy things then? 'Cause you was
I definitely
camping
like the nature. Well, I wasn't camping, it was
Oh.
in a jeet.
Okay.
But no, I definitely like nature, yes. Yeah, walking, hiking, being outside.
What's so good about Saltdean or Brighton Beach?
We just go here randomly.
We make you go, don't we? We have to
Yeah.
wrestle you out the door.
So you don't like it?
I do when we go swimming, but not when we're going on a boring walk.
It's a little bit quieter than Brighton Beach, so that's good. That's quite helpful, especially when you've got 2 dogs and 2 children running riot.
Is that typical of like your summer holidays? Do you often sort of think just to stay here and enjoy
Pretty
it?
much these days, yes.
Okay.
For the last sort of 5 or 6 years, yes.
And why is that? Why would you say that is?
A mixture of things, really.
Okay.
Expense is one factor, and the fact that we live somewhere where it's already the seaside, so it's very enjoyable just living here.
Did you know that here at Easy English we offer a membership to help you learn and improve your English? You can check out our membership with the link up here or by going to easyenglish.video/membership. That link will take you to our membership page where you can decide to become either a video member, a podcast member, or a conversation member to help support myself and Easy to continue making easy English videos and to help you improve your English. If you become a conversation member, then we'll invite you to our very own online pub. There you'll be able to practice and improve your speaking and listening skills with other members and myself and Easy. We'll talk about topics that will help you improve your English, such as hobbies, work, pets, music, and of course British culture. So sign up to become a conversation member and bring your favourite drink to our Easy English pub. What's your festival goers tip for people who've never been to a music festival?
Don't camp.
Don't camp.
Always take a bath.
Take your Wellingtons.
Right.
Take some wet wipes.
Wet wipes is
Wet
really
wipes is a really good idea.
That's really
if you
good.
don't want to be
Earplugs.
really stinky. Earplugs.
If you want to sleep.
Earplugs, yeah.
Okay.
And anything that will make you happy.
That's also nice.
Whatever that might be.
What do you recommend the most about Brighton?
Oh gosh, that's a difficult one. It depends what mood I'm in.
Okay.
But I love the cafes, I love the seafront, just the general vibe.
Is there a big cafe culture in Brighton or in
Yes,
England?
I think there is.
Yeah,
Isn't there? Yes,
huge,
there is
yeah.
now.
Where are you going next year? Back to Malaga or?
No, actually, we've just been there, so we're hoping to go. Well, we're going to Poland, Christmas, New Year.
Nice.
And then we're looking at Thailand, or we really want to go to Canada. So yeah, we'll see.
What would be your sort of typical holiday destination you go to?
Probably because we used to go to Wales every year as kids, and so I wanted to take my daughter to Wales to continue the tradition. So we go to the same places there. I'm scared of flying, so I tend not to fly places.
What is your plan for next year? Or do you have a plan to go away somewhere in the future?
If climate change keeps doing what it's doing, we're going to be staying here and taking advantage of it.
Next year, unfortunately for us, it's stay in the UK.
A staycation?
Yeah, we're going to go up to York though, I think, and go and visit York or Scotland. It's a bit of
Nice.
history, because we want to save up money for a driveway. Adulting so far.
Do you have any plans next year to leave the UK or?
Not at the moment,
Okay.
but never say never.
And can I ask, is it affordable, do you think, for Brits to go on holiday nowadays, do you think?
Well, it very much depends on what their income is, and I guess with the current cost of living crisis, fewer people feel able to do that.
Yeah, nice. Lots of people have mentioned that today, actually.
Yeah.
Was it typical that Brits do like this staycation?
I don't think so. Most people I know tend to fly somewhere. It's quite cheap to fly. Flying tickets are cheap. You can get the Eurostar, which is not. It's quite convenient.
Okay. Where do you get the Eurostar from? Do you know?
Get it from King's Cross, St Pancras, and then get it to Paris or Lyon or Amsterdam, Brussels.
And that's affordable.
It was when I found a discounted ticket. Otherwise, it was not particularly cheap.
What's your plans for next year? Are you going to stay in Brighton or are you heading off on holiday somewhere?
Maybe not.
Okay, very good. Where would you like to go next year for your holidays?
My last hotel,
Where was your last hotel?
Antigua.
Antigua? Really? Wow,
Switched
nice.
a bit jet set, aren't you?
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Please let us know in the comments below what you've been up to on your summer holiday and what you've got planned for next year. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!